Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to repeat table header in Word. Friends, I have made a table and add headings to this table. But as this table is continuing to multiple pages, so I need to repeat the table headings on each page. Like if I scroll it down, here my next page has started but there is no headings. So if I want to repeat the table headings, then I simply need to right click on the table heading and here click on table properties. Now in table properties click on row. Now here you need to select repeat as header row at the top of each page. After selecting, click on OK. Now our table heading is repeated on each page. I just show you. Like you can see our new page has started and there is our table heading. So it is repeated on our each page. So friends, like this you can very easily repeat table header in Word. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.